Hello my friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I wish you good health and blessing on this video. Well, before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Komang Widnyana with my identity number 19130111022 from 3C Math Education class. So, in this video, I will explain about circles, especially about equation of tangents to circles atau persamaan garis singgung lingkaran. Let's check the video. Well, before that, what did you think when you heard the word circle? Let we start with definition of circles. If we search in Google about definition of circle, we will find that circle is a round plane figure whose boundary or circumference consists of points equidistant from a fixed point or the center. Let we simply this sentence. Okay, what we can understand from that sentence? We can understand that circle is an area that bounded by many dots and one then have a one point center, so we can call A. That if we make a line from point A to some point in here, we can call B, A to C, A to D, A to E. We can know is distance A to B equal to A to C, A to D, and every single point that's bounded this area. We can call A to B, or distance A to B is a radius, and 2 times radius equal to circumference, or we can call circumference. Now let's go back to main topic. From the circle, we imagine a line. What happens if the line offends the circles? What can we know from there? Yes, of course, we can know equation of tangent to circles. Then the next question is, what is a tangent to circles? Tangent to circles is a line that intersects the circles at only one point of intersections in here and are perpendicular to the radius of circles at that point. Then, how can we find the equation to the circles? There are 3 types. The equation of tangent to the circles, including first, we can find the equation tangent to the circle from point of tangent to the circles. 2, we can find the equation tangent to the circle from tangent of circle gradients. And 3, we can find the equation tangent to the circles from the point outside of the circles. For the explanation, let's next. Okay, first we can find the equation of tangent to the circles from point of tangent to the circles, atau titik singgung pada lingkaran. The equation of the tangent to the circles can be found if we know the equation of the circles and appoint the circles like x1, y1, that the tangent passes through. Through one point on the circles, only one tangent to the circles can be made. Based on the equation of the circles and the point to the circles, there are 3 possibilities of equation of the tangent to the circles that can be found, including first, if we have the equation of the circles is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, this means the point of center is 0, 0. We can know the equation of tangent to the circles is x times x1 plus y times y1 equal to r squared. Here you are. Next, if we have the equation of circles is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared, this means the point of centers is a comma b, so we can know the equation of tangents to circles for these circles is x minus a times x1 minus a plus y minus b times y1 minus b equal to r squared. Here you are. And third, if we know the equation of circles is x squared plus y squared plus a times x plus b times y plus c equal to 0, this means this is the standard equation of circles. We can know the equation of tangent to the circles is x times x1 plus y times y1 plus the half times a times x plus x1 plus half times b times y plus y1 equal to r squared. And here you are. Okay, next, we can know the equation of tangent to the circles from tangent of circles gradients, or Indonesian means gradient garis singgung lingkaran. The equation of tangent to the circles can be found if we know the equation of the circles and the tangent of circles gradient. We know the line. Based on the equation of the circles and the point of tangent to the circles, there are three possibilities of equation of the tangent to the circles that can be found, including first, if we know the equation of the circles is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, this means the circles have point of centers is 0, 0. We can know the equation of tangent to the circles is y is equal to m times x with m is a gradient or tangent of circles gradients times x plus minus r times the square root of m squared plus 1. And if we know the equation of circles is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared, this means the point of centers in these circles is a random points a, b. We can know the equations of tangent to the circles is y minus b equal to m with m is a gradient times x minus a plus minus r times the square root of m squared plus 1. And the third, if we know the equation of the circles is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this is the standard equation of circles, we can know the equation of tangents to the circles is y minus b equal to m with m is a gradient times x minus a plus minus r times the square roots of m squared plus 1. Okay, that's for the tangent of circles gradients. Next, we can find the equation of tangents to the circles from the point outside of circles, or in Indonesian means titik di luar lingkaran. The equation of tangents to the circles can be found if we know the equation of the circles and a point outside of the circles. Like this, in this image, we can know point A is the point outside of the circles. Through a point outside the circles, two tangents to the circles can be made. This first tangent and this second tangent. The gradient value of the tangent can be found using the equation y1 minus yp equal to m, with m is a gradient, times x1 minus xp plus minus r times the square roots of m squared plus 1. Okay, with the equation for the circles and the point outside of circles, you can find the equation of tangents to the circles with s. The equation is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Okay, after the explanation about how we can find the equation of tangent to the circles, then next with the example of exercise. Next, okay, for the question, I have two questions. The first question, find the equation of tangent to circle x squared plus y squared equal to 8 at point A minus 2,2. And the second question, find the equation of tangent to circle x squared plus y squared equal to 14, which parallel to the line L, y plus 3x equal to 6. Okay, I will give the first answers. For the first question, first check that point A is on circle or not. Point A, x1, y1 equal to minus 2,2. If we substitute the point to the equation of circle, if the value of substitute is equal to 8, that means the point A on the circle. After we substitute, we get x equal to 8. That means point A on the circle. So the equation of tangent to the circle is x times x1 plus y times y1 equal to r squared. We substitute this point to the equation of tangent to circles. We get x times minus 2 plus y times 2 equal to 8. So we get the equation of tangent to circle for this equation. For this question is minus 2x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, for the second answer, for the second question, line x plus 3x equal to 6, we can get y equal to minus 3x plus 6. So we get the gradient of this line is minus 3. Because the equation of tangent to circle are parallel to the line L, that makes tangent to circle gradient equal to the gradient of line L. So the gradient 1 equal to gradient 2 equal to minus 3. So the equation of tangent to circle for this question is y equal to m, for m is a gradient, times x plus minus r times the square root of m squared plus 1. We substitute the gradient to this question and the r. So we got y equal to minus 3 times x plus minus the square root of 14 times the square root minus 3 square plus 1. So we get y equal to minus 3x plus minus 2 times 10. So we get y equal to minus 3x plus minus 20. So the equation of tangent to circle for this question is y equal to minus 3x plus 20, or y minus 2 equal to minus 3 minus 20. So this is the answer. Just that material can I explain, and I'm sorry if in the explanation or in this video that have some wrong. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.